Hello everybody and welcome back. We're looking at question number 9 now, which says the table shows population information for 2 towns for the years 2003 and 2004. And they don't seem to give us the whole population, they just they give us the change from 2003 to 2004. So we've got Cayleysville. It started with a population of 10,000 and that population increased by 4%. And then we have Pascalberg, started with a population of 25%, but 12% of the people have left. Maybe they've gone to Cayleysville, maybe they've gone to Fermat City, who knows. The point is, the population has decreased by 12%. What's the difference between the populations of the 2 towns in 2004? Alright, so I can think of sort of they're very similar, 2 ways to do this. They both involve percentages. But one way you can do it is, okay, we've got the population 10,000 for Cayleysville, figure out 4% of that, and then add it on. And that's fine. Then figure out 12% of 25,000 and take that away from 25,000. And then whatever those populations are for 2004, take the difference. But the way I'm going to do it is it sort of combines this, and it's something that if you're not aware of, it's a good sort of slightly faster way to do these things where somebody's telling you it's an increase of 4%. So an increase of sort of X% is the same as multiplying by 1 plus x over 100. So in this case, 4%, we just multiply by 1.04. And a decrease of x% works sort of the same way. So we multiply by 1 minus x over 100. So we're doing minus 12%. So that would be, we multiply by 0.88. Okay, 1 minus 0.12. So this can obviously it's taking me a little while to explain this in case somebody out there is watching this and doesn't know this. Some of you might know it, that's fine. But it's often a lot faster to say, okay, I don't need to figure out 4% and then add it on, just multiply, because I don't care about the 2003 population once I've got the 2004. So we get 10400, so 10,400 people for the 2004 population of Cayleysville. And 25,000 multiplied by 0.88. Now, admittedly, I don't think I can do this one in my head. Well, divide by 4, you get 22. Bring the other 4 over here, we get 100,000. So 0.22, so it should be 22,000. Now, I'm not confident in that, so I'm going to grab my calculator. Okay, yeah, 22,000. So I was right. So now we just need the difference of these two. 22,000 minus 10,400. You'll have a 600, and then so it'll be a 1 and then a 9 or 1 and a 10 there. And that gives us the 6, and then it should be 11,600. But of course, if you want to, you can grab your calculator and use that as well. But 11,600, and where is that? B, 11,600. Now, I'm a little wary because, okay, the 12 there. I was looking at these 17s and thought, gee, I'm really far off what happened. Like, usually the numbers will all clump around the answer, and only one of them will be right, and there'll be a couple outliers. So I guess these 1700s are the outliers. How would I get them? Maybe if I did plus 12%, I might get some of these. But, there's B. If you're ever suspicious, just go back and convince yourself you did the right thing. Yeah. Multiply by 1.04, that's the same as increasing by 4%. Multiply by 0.88, that's the same as decreasing by 12%. So, yeah, it all worked out. Okay. And we got one more question in part A. And that will be question number 10.